Hello everyone, today we will discuss how to get the size of an array. First we will try using pointer. At first we will print the memory address of the index of our array. There are one element is present in our array, that is 9. So we print the memory address of index 0 and 1. I am going to run this program. This is the output of this program. If we subtract those two numbers, what will be the number? 4, right? Now I am doing this in code. It comes 1. Why? Because to store the number 9, compiler need 4 bytes of memory. That is the subtraction of two memory addresses. There is an example. The size of integer is vary on the compiler to compiler. In this compiler the size of integer is 4 bytes. In some another compiler maybe the size of integer is 2 bytes. There also the concept will be same. If we take another example, there are 5 elements is present in our array. If we subtract the memory address of 5th index and 0 index, we get 20 bytes. If the size of integer is 4 bytes in our compiler, then we say if 4 bytes can store one integer, then 20 bytes can store 5 integer. So the size of array is 20 divided by 4 is 5. If we do this in practical, we got the expected output 5. Now we are going to calculate the size of an array using size of function. Size of function returns the total bytes of memory which is occupied to store this array. Now I run this code. The output is 4. It means our compiler needs 4 bytes of memory to store this array. If we divide the total memory size by the size of an integer, then we will get the actual size of an array. We got the expected output. If we take another example, then also we got our expected output. Now we will see in another programming language, Python and Java. In Python there is a method len that returns the length of a list. I run this code. We got the expected output. In Java there are also a method length that returns the length of the array. I run this code and we got the expected output. Thanks for watching this video.